Grand Rising, beautiful people. Let's start with this. I'm having a story time with my collective. This is for entertainment purposes only. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So if you've been following between channeling and then clocking an energy that didn't want me posting, wasn't fun to say the least, you know? So yesterday I decided that I was just gonna ground my energy and resume this later. So it's now later, new day, new energy. But my AM downloads haven't been clear, and I finally came to the conclusion that I need to finish what I started and post part 4 and 5, because all this just opened Pandora's box for me. I have more questions, of course. So if you have some more questions as well, then good. That's how this game goes, and I feel like it's infinite at this freaking point. So let's get back to yesterday's decode continuation, and if you feel called, go back to my feed for the beginning. Otherwise, here we go. So archetypes aren't random character packs you can just grab. They're available to everybody, but you can only access them once you rise into the frequency of the chosen ones. How do you get there? By doing the work you signed up to do. When we came here, that is, we planned everything. 1, 2, 3 on that timer. Well, what do I mean by that work? Shadow work, inner healing, clearing trauma. That's the grind. Every lesson, every trigger, every person who broke you, you signed up for that because the pain itself was the training, the quest, the thing you had to face in order to level up. And until you do that work, those archetypes stay locked. You're stuck in tutorial mode arguing with NPCs. But once you rise into that frequency, the archetype packs unlock. Magdalene, the healer, the prophet. Now you're in your inventory. There's one more part that I'm taking all of this and breaking it down into a 2-part full length for my YouTube channel, because the bits and pieces were like all over the place. At least for me, I needed to organize everything a little bit better. And, you know, I go just surface level here, 222 on that timer. Source with me, as always. So I'm going to go into YouTube 2-part full length on that one. I'm going to be coming back with part 5 on this one. As I'm looking at the sky, it's blank simulation, not loaded yet. So it's waiting for me to make my move, which I'm making my move by posting this way ahead of schedule. Well, is it ahead of schedule? It's late. I normally don't film this early, so that's me flipping the script a little bit too. So with that being said, come back for part 5. And of course, this opened new questions for me. And I got some answers. So I'm going to post this stuff. I missed 303. So hi, Dad, on that one. Yeah, this matrix, this simulation, all I have to say, it's wild. Welcome to freaking La La Land, and tap back in. Remember, give me a like, give me a follow, give me a share, repost it. Drop a comment. Where's this reaching? How's the simulation treating you? Because, you know, there's layers to this and shit just gets wild. So tap back in later.